Okay, so this is an ultrasonic cleaning machine, and it's something TikTok made me buy. Apparently people clean their glasses in this, and it has amazed me. Just look how nasty! These are my husband's glasses. I don't think he's ever cleaned them. Just look at the dirt. Ew. Look how brown the water is. Are you kidding me? Ew. I mean, where did the dirt pebbles come from? How was that on his glasses? Oh, and here is his glasses now. Excuse my fingers. Excuse the glasses. They're kind of scratched up. But his nose pieces were so disgusting. They're almost brand new looking.